Experience the ultimate in luxury living at this exceptional property located in Vancouver's desirable Westminster Walk community. This one-level home sits on 2.5 acres of resort-like grounds. The gated entry takes you to this premier community, offering a serene sanctuary from your daily life. From the spectacular pool to the multiple outdoor entertaining spaces, you'll fall in love with this tranquil retreat. Inside, discover high-quality craftsmanship, soaring ceilings, and an abundance of natural light. A built-in entertainment center and a cozy gas fireplace provide an inviting focal point in your spacious living room. The classic chef's kitchen with granite countertops features a large island and high-end appliances, including a Decor 6-burner gas range, Sub-Zero built-in refrigerator, and a butler's pantry with a wine fridge. The covered patios are perfect for enjoying breakfast, candlelit dinners, or reading your favorite book. The formal dining room is beautifully designed, ready for special gatherings. The spectacular office features extensive built-ins, a gas fireplace, plus views and access to the backyard. The primary suite is privately located with its own fireplace. The spa-like bath features heated floors, a jetted tub, dual head shower, and a large walk-in closet. You'll find 2 more spacious bedrooms, along with walk-in closets and full baths. Plus a large laundry room and a temperature-controlled wine cellar. Explore the paver patios while enjoying the extensive stonework. Gather by the inviting gas fire pit. Or entertain by the heated saltwater pool with an overflowing hot tub. The professionally designed landscaping includes irrigation, landscape lighting, and raised beds for gardening. The oversized garage has room for 6 cars, plus additional storage. A captivating home in fabulous Westminster Walk. It's all here, ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.